Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a simple but super useful trick for making your Google Sheets look instantly cleaner and more organized. How to automatically resize your table so that all your rows are nice and even no more messy mismatched sizes. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to tidy up your sheet in just a couple of clicks, which is one of those tiny details that makes your spreadsheet a whole lot easier to work with. So imagine you've been editing data, copying and pasting, or maybe you just imported something, and suddenly the rows in your table are all sorts of different heights. Some are extra tall, others are a little squished, and it just looks messy. This is really common, especially when text wraps or you've copy-pasted from somewhere else. But don't worry if this sounds familiar. There's an incredibly quick way to sort it out. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to select every cell in your spreadsheet. Now, the easiest way to do this is to head to that little block in the top left corner of the sheet, right where the row numbers and column letters meet. It kind of looks like a blank rectangle. Just click right there and instantly Google Sheets will highlight every single cell in your document. This is a simple trick, but it lets us apply changes to the entire sheet at once, so nothing gets left behind. Now with everything selected, let's tackle those messy row heights. Hover your mouse over one of the horizontal gray lines between any two row numbers on the left. You'll see the cursor change, kind of like when you're about to adjust a window size. Here comes the magic part. Just double-click that row line. What happens is Google Sheets will automatically adjust every row in your table so that each one fits its content perfectly and looks consistent throughout. If you've ever dragged row borders manually to try and even things out, you'll know how much time this can save. Double-clicking here tells Google Sheets, hey, just make it all look good for me. Sometimes, depending on your data, it can take a second for Google Sheets to work through large tables, so don't worry if you see a quick delay or if things flicker for a moment. What's great is that this works whether you have a few messy rows or thousands of them. Google Sheets handles it all at once. And there you have it, your spreadsheet is now automatically resized and looks much more organized. It's such a satisfying, almost instant improvement, and it makes your data easier to read and work with, especially if you have to share your file with team members or present it to someone. Little touches like this can really make your work look more professional. So give it a try next time you're staring at a lopsided sheet. If this tip helped you out, hit that like button, and if you have any questions or more spreadsheet struggles, drop a comment below. I read all of them and am always happy to help out. Make sure to subscribe for more quick and practical Google Sheets tips like this, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.